Bayan, secret lang to walang may alam, pero 60th birthday mo na, kaya may surprise sila sa'yo. Happy birthday. Huwag ka rin maingay kasi may handa silang cake para sa'yo. Walang may alam. God bless, ingat palagi, stay healthy brother, ingat.
Hey man, happy birthday! On Team Latch. Love you, man.
Bong, happy birthday. Senior ka na. Ang dami natin pinagsamahan, ang tagal na natin magkasama, and salamat sa lahat ng mga times na pagpapasaya mo sa amin lagi. Happy birthday, and ingat ka lagi, and stay healthy.
Hello Kuya Bong, happy birthday sa'yo, and sana maging healthy ka lalo, and God bless sa'yo and sa family mo. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Kuya Bong T. Enjoy ka sa karawan mo and wish you all the best and stay healthy and enjoy ka. Ingat. God bless.
What's up, Kuya Bong? Happy 60th birthday, man. We love you and appreciate you.
Hi Kuya Bong, happy birthday Kuya Bong. Salamat sa pag-alaga mo sa akin dyan, sa Token Text, and sana mag-enjoy ka special day mo. God bless you.
Kuya Bong, mabuhay ka. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you do with us at TNT. We love you. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Bong T. Dual citizen ka na. Matanda ka na. Peace.
Bong T, happy 60 birthday sa'yo. And ingat lagi. God bless. Stay healthy. And enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Bong T, gamit-gamit din ng 20% discount ha. Happy 60th birthday. Stay healthy and mabuhay ka.
2, 3.
Bong T, happy birthday. Walang nga, 60 ka na pala. Sa mata ko, 40 ka pa lang eh. Pero yun nga, miss na kita at maraming salamat syempre sa mga ginawa mo sa akin para sa akin sa NU. And yung sapatos mo, syempre wag kang magalala. Pag nagkita tayo, bigyan kita. Tagal na natin din nagkikita eh, pero sana susunod na pakita namin, pakain ka naman bago ko bigay yung sapatos God bless at maraming salamat.
Bong T, how are you my friend? Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. The family and I send our love. And really want to just take this opportunity to say thank you for all the incredible years during our time together with Gilas. Your tireless work ethic and just your energy, your love, your support, and just dedication to the team and to the country. We don't have the same success with Gilas without you. Going back all the way to 2013 for FIBA Asia and of course the World Cup in Spain. Those are memories that I'll carry with me forever. And I'm thankful that you are a huge part of all of it. So again, my friend, miss you. Hope you have an incredible day and an amazing rest of the year ahead. And just know we love you and appreciate you and wish you a happy birthday. Hopefully I'll see you soon, my friend. Take care.
Kuya Bong T, happy birthday. Umangon ka na dyan. God bless you. Maraming salamat sa lahat. More power to you and sa family mo. God bless.
Kabayan, miss na kita sa mga itong biyahin natin para sa bayan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam kong hindi ko sinasabi ng madalas pero sobra kitang na-appreciate. Hindi ko magagawa yung mga nagawa natin kung wala ka dyan sa likod ko. Nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob at ng suporta parate. Ang laking bagay mo sa aking coaching journey. Sana maging sobrang masaya itong birthday mo. More good health and more happiness for your family. Happy birthday, Lek!
My friend, Bong T, happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka at stay healthy. Lagi ka nasa dasal ko. So, see you soon and happy birthday, my friend!
Happy birthday, my friend! We miss you here.
Bong, happy
Take
birthday,
care
Bong!
and God bless.
Bong, happy birthday!
My guy, Bong T, this is Gabe Norwood. Just wishing you a happy 60th birthday, man. So thankful and appreciate the time that we spent together. You really helping me early in my career, adjust to playing in the Philippines, but also just being a great friend. thank you so much for everything you do, the person that you are. I just pray that you continue to find good health. I pray for great health moving forward and all the best in your 60th year and many more to come. Hope to see you soon, man, and take care. God bless and happy 60th.
Kabayan, Bong T, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And of course, pagdadasal ko yung kalusugan mo. Sana maging healthy ka pa. And God bless you. And sana marami ka pang matulungan ng mga players sa future. Enjoy your birthday, Kabayan. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Kuya Bong. Happy birthday. Sana matagal pa kayo magsama sa TNT. At marami pang championship ang pagsamahan natin. And sana maging healthy ka lagi. Ingatan mo lagi sarili mo. Ingat ka lagi, Kuya Bong. Happy birthday ulit.
Kuya Bong, happy birthday sa'yo. 68 ka na. Grabe, tagal na, no? Naalala mo pa nung unang dating ko dito, ikaw unang nag-alaga sa akin sa Token Text. Wish ko sa'yo, mas maging healthy ka pa, mas, masayahin ka naman palagi, lagi ka nag-joke. More jokes siguro. Yun, happy birthday, and alam mo naman, dito lang kami. Pag kailangan mo ng tuna, dito lang ako. Happy birthday, Kuya Bong. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Bong T. Mabuhay ka. Jolly Jello, Jolly Jello, Jolly. Happy birthday.
Bong T, balita ko magsi-60 ka na raw. Big 6-0. Ang tagal na tayo nagsama. First time, hindi ko na maalala sa Pure Foods pa yata. So, Bong, you've come a long way. You got a good family behind you. So, I wish you the best. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day, Bong.